Alright, good morning. Today is Wednesday, February 20th, and I want to review 3 of the trades that we've been in. All of them are looking unbelievable, so let's just go through those. The first one that we're looking at right now is TIF, right? Tiffany's daily chart. Okay? Remember we went long right here? Beautiful trade, right? We went long at 63.10. All of our profit objectives have been hit to the upside. All of them, right? 3 profit objectives. First one being 64.08. Second one being 64.66 right in here. And 65.06 was hit right up in here. Now, I'm trailing up a stop on a portion of my position here. And this is the white line where it represents where my trailing stop is right now. That trailing stop is up at 64.35. So I'm locking in $1.25 on this, and I've already hit all 3 profit objectives. Again, step back and take a look at this chart. It was a beautiful trade setup. Market pulled back into support, created one of my key patterns right here, had logical profit objectives to the upside, and you always need to have a plan for a trailing stop because you always want to try to milk it for what it's worth. So we're in this trade still with a sell stop at 64.35. The second trade, take a look at this. Okay, this is the only one of the 3 that has not yet hit the 3rd profit objective. Okay, the other, remember we went long Salesforce.com at 171.64. First profit objective was 174.01 up in here. Okay, second one was 175.54. Market went to 175.84, so it hit it. Our 3rd profit objective is at 176.57. We're not quite there yet, but what we've done is we've moved our trailing stop, right, our sell stop below 2 days ago now, okay? This low right here, the low on the 15th, the low of 172.61, right, 172.61. I'm up at 172.49 now, just below that, right below the half number of 172.5. I'm 1 penny below at 172.49. And on this one, I'm locking in 90 some odd cents on this. But I've already taken profits off with 2 profit objectives there, okay? So whatever happens, doesn't matter. If the market rallies up, it'll take most of my position out at the 3rd profit objective. But if it comes down, I've already taken profits off the table. Now take a look at Colgate-Palmolive. Look at this one. CL. This, my friends, perfect. I love it. I love taking a look at this chart. Is beautiful because it happened so quick. Remember, we got filled when the market finally took out the high of this tight little bar right here, right? Beautiful pullback down off the high into a logical support zone near the 50 exponential moving average. Created that inside pattern. Broke it 2 days later. Look at this. Okay, right? Broke it 2 days later, right there. Right? Went long at 108.66, which is 20 cents above the high of 108.48, 108.66. Got long on the 14th. Remember, we had 3 profit objectives. The first one being 110.19. Right? 110.19 was right here. Then 111.09 was 80% of the 2 times the initial stop loss, right? 111.09 right there. And then the 3rd was 111.70, which again represents 2 times what I was risking on the trade. That was hit yesterday afternoon near the high of the day. And I've got a trailing stop with the remaining portion of my position. And I've put that up to below today's low. Today gapped up a little bit. We've run up, so I'm right below the low of today is 111.95. So 20 cents below 111.95 is 111.75. So that's where my stop is, my sell stop. So I right now am, let's see, what is that? I'm locking in $3.09. $3.09 on the trailing part of the position. So not a bad trade, okay? Now, at the end of yesterday's video, I pointed out the Euro-US dollar setting up for a buy. And the market did hit. Remember, we were going about 2 pips above 133.78. Right, to 133.80. We got long because the market ran up to 133.95. Today actually ran up to 134.33. So we actually had 53 pips in this particular trade. But right now it's at 133.46. Our initial stop loss on the day of entry was directly below the low of the inside pattern. So that low was 133.20. 2 pips below that's 133.18. So what was I risking? Was risking 62 pips initially on this. I'm leaving my stop at the 133.18 right now. It's sitting right here. Let's put a white horizontal line on that. Here we go. So 133.18. The market has ran up today, and the market's trading kind of near the lows. The lows 133.37. It's 133.45. So we'll see what happens on this. I'm expecting a move to the upside for sure. But if we start taking out the 18th low, we'll probably take out the low of the 15th. Granted, we're still here at a support level, that 50 exponential. But again, I'll re-examine this position. If I get stopped out of this trade, I'll still keep an eye on it. Maybe we'll get some type of pattern in here or some type of setup. Even if I'm taken out, I'd look to re-enter again if it sets up again, okay? So that is it for now. And again, today Doc, Dave, and myself, the Power Stock Trading Strategies course is being released here in about a half hour, so I'm excited for that. Check it out. Check out the video that we're putting out today. So again, have a great day. Hopefully you've been able to take advantage of some of the trades that I've put out for you here. The Tiffany's trade, looking good, looking good. The Salesforce.com. Again, the only one out of the 3 positions so far that all profit objectives haven't been hit, but we hit 2 of the 3 and we've trailed it up and we're still locking in profits on the remaining part of the position. And look at that Colgate-Palmolive. Look at CL. Beautiful, beautiful textbook trade. Springboard right back up. All right. Have a great day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye for now.